Hey guys, it's Key and it's Key Life Trading. Thanks for tuning in to another video. So today is day 17 of the small account challenge and I'm doing good today, guys. Good today. We're back to regular schedule programming and traded 2 stocks today. Green on both of them. Accuracy is on point and the new consistency start today. So let's see how consistent I can be starting today, Friday. Well, Friday's over now, so we gotta wait till Monday. So if you guys did good today, put in the comment section. You did bad, put in the comment section. If you see something that I could have done better in my recap, comment section, guys. So yeah, I'm feeling very good, motivated, and I feel a lot of positive energy, and I want to keep it that way, because if you have positive energy, you get positive things back. So my mental state is on point, is 100%, I would say, or 90%. Nothing could ever be 100%. So let's say 90, 95%, or 99%. But anyway, so my discipline on point, got to keep that up. And soon I'm looking to start bumping up my size and start making some, larger funds or profit, I should say. So probably next month I'm gonna start kicking it into high gear. And the reason why I'm taking it slow this month is because, like I said, I'm still trying to get my my mental, my discipline on point. So I'm getting my brain used to being disciplined in terms of the stock market. So once I get disciplined, now I can bump up the size to where I know I'm not going to one overtrade, stay too long in the market, overstay my welcome, all the other stuff that potentially help people lose in the stock market. All right, so come follow me. We're gonna chop it up, guys. We're gonna chop it up. Come on, let's look at the chart and chop it up. All right, so today I traded 2 stocks, and as you can see, I made $23 and some change. Well, actually it's 23 flat, and it's nothing crazy, but you know my motto, base hits, and it's a small account, so we're gonna be doing a lot of base hits, right? So 23, I'm perfectly fine. That's before commission. After commission, it should be around $11.40. Green is green. I don't care how much it is. And I told you guys from my previous video, you should go check that out on my red day recap, where I said that I don't care how much I make. I'm not gonna come in the market trying to revenge trade, trying to make back what I lost. Eventually, each profit I make is going to add up and it's going to accumulate, and it's going to eventually eat up that loss that I made yesterday on the previous video, and I'm going to keep growing. So I'm not worrying about that. So $23, and I traded 2 stocks. I traded Nvidia and I traded AAOI, right? So let me pull up my log. So I traded Nvidia going long, right? So let's go NVDA. I traded Nvidia going long, and what I was anticipating on Nvidia was I was looking at this stair stepping, especially on the 1 minute. The 1 minute is a little bit more clear, where I seen the stair stepping, and I was like, you know what? Let me take advantage of that. So my goal, or what I was looking for, was Nvidia to potentially break through 128, right? And it wasn't a big size. I went with a small portion. I went in with 25 shares, and I was just like testing the water, because overall today I didn't like how the market was moving. If you guys don't know, today is what is it called? Stock witching or something like that. Something like that. I think stock witching. And the market, to me personally, wasn't moving how it usually move. Plus today is Friday, so I wasn't trying to overstay my welcome or trying to overtrade. Well, not overtrade, trying to jump in heavy with big size, because one is, like I said, it's Friday. Friday is usually slow, and I'm not going to trade something with low volume, trade the market with low volume, and expect to make a lot. So I was looking to see price action break through 128, and as you can see on the 1 minute chart, it started to make lower highs. So you have a low here, a lower high, and you can see it's trying to stair step, and it went and broke through 128. So my first entry on this, my first and only entry on Nvidia was at 127.60 at 9:53. So 9:53 right here. 153. Yeah. So I got in right here at 127.66, so around here, basically the top of this. And it came down, consolidated, bounced up, consolidated, and then eventually it ripped through 128, and I sold a profit right here at 128.10. And as you can see, it went higher without me, but I didn't really care. I took my profit and left. I'm not gonna be greedy. I'm not gonna overstay my welcome. Take profit, go. And that's the way how you grow your small account. Yeah, you could potentially stay a little bit longer, but I'm okay with the amount that I made. So I made $11, and I was perfectly fine with that base hit. And then the last trade that I took, which was on AAIO, this had news on it, and it was ripping up basically the whole day. When this was ripping up, I didn't trade it earlier. I basically, after the Nvidia trade, I got up and called it a day for that moment, because one, I was tired. So I got up, made my money, got up, and went to sleep. Came back around, what time was it? I think I came back around here. So like around, that was like 3:20 or 3:30. I came back and I traded Power Hour. And what I did, I basically shorted this. And the reason why I shorted it was because the news wasn't all that. And I read the news a little bit, read the headline. It wasn't nothing like major to be like, okay, oh my God, you know. And plus, I started seeing on the level 2 that price was trying to break down, like price action was trying to break down. So I took advantage of it, and I did a quick scalp. Let me zoom in on the price. So I did a quick scalp around 381. I shorted it around 381 at right around here. Yes, I think it was 3 at 3. I shorted it from here. So from the top of here, and then what happened, price came down, price came back up, retest, and this is natural. You're gonna always see a bounce at key level, which was the 75. Came back up, bounce, retest at 385, and then it started to break down slowly, and I took profit at 378. So I took my profit around right here. So it wasn't nothing major. So I took profit like around here, 378 around here, and nothing major. And you see it bounced down, came back up. So it started to stair step down. It started making higher low. Sorry, you have a high here, you have a higher low, and then you have another. Well, this was basically a double top, but you could call this another higher low. But it broke down, and that was really it. You know, I made how much I made? I made $12 off of that. $12. And I called it a day. So, guys, I'm in the space where I'm looking to just take base hits. So I'm trying to take my time, get my mental on point, keep everything straight, discipline on point, and that's all I'm doing, just base hits. And what I'm trying to do is to build up my mind or my mental, because I'm not used to being disciplined with the stock market. I'm trying to gain that responsibility when it comes to the stock market. So for me to now bump up size, I need to be disciplined, and that's where I'm gonna head to. So you know, all you have to do if you want to start making more money is just bump up the size, up, you know, bigger share size, and you keep doing it like that. So one of the reason I want to bump up my size soon is because obviously you can see I'm consistent. I went 9 days straight making profit. So all you have to do with that now is just bump up the size. Now those 9 days could have been $900 days, $200 days, $9,000 days, easy. So a key of being consistent, that's showing you that you're picking the right stocks, right? You're picking the right entry point, and that's the the most important thing that you're doing. So if you're showing consistency, all you have to now worry about is managing your risk, continue being consistent, and just bumping up your size, and that's it. That's the formula of growing a small account even quicker. So that's the goal, you know. And you know, sometimes if you do bump up your size, you can get a little bit more emotional because you're losing more, but it's in the this in the return of making bigger profit or bigger gain. So you win some, you lose some. You have to play the game to basically be profitable. Sorry, to be profitable. So I'm ready, almost ready. So I'm gonna give I'm gonna give myself some more time, and I'm just gonna grow. So if you guys want to join the Key Life gang, smash that subscribe button. If you like the video, enjoy the video, smash that thumbs up button, and please check out my other videos. They have some good content. Okay, so Key Life Trading, I'm out. Peace.